Okay, let's take a quick shot at the portfolio problem on the review sheet. The first thing we want to do in looking at this is we need to determine what additional information we need to be able to answer the questions. Well, the first column we want to add is a gain in dollars. That's easy enough. That's going to be our current price minus our cost. And that's how much we made. So we can sell it for $105 now. We bought it for $86. Our gain is $19. And that is interesting to know, but it's not really effective because it doesn't allow us to compare across stocks. So we want to add a fourth column here, or actually a fifth column, that is percent gain. And that is just your dollar gain divided by your cost. So the $19 represents a 22% gain on our original cost of $86. There we go. And let's go ahead and present that as percentage. Perfect. And let's go ahead and do that for the rest of these. We can sell it now for $2,300. It cost us $2,000. We had a gain of $300. We take that $300 and divide it by the original $2,000 cost, 15% gain. I'm going to format this whole column to be percentages so that we don't have to keep changing it. There we go. Company Cali. We're going to take our current price minus our cost for $92 gain, and then we're going to take our gain of $92 and divide it by our original cost of $108. We continue on down the road like that. We take our new price, our new amount that we could sell it for, minus our original cost, and then we take that dollar gain and divide it by our original cost. And for those of you who know that Excel, we can just copy that right on down here. And the same for this one. Notice as soon as I fill in this column, this one fills in. And this gives us an indication of both the gain and the percent gain. Now, as I recall, the questions were which one gave you the best return, which one gave you the worst return, what was your portfolio return, and what did you use to determine it. So let's talk about those. The first thing we want to do is which one gave us the best gain. Well, it looks like Company Beta gave us a $300 gain, which is terrific, except it was only 15% of our original cost. Not such a good deal. And in fact, this little stock, Company Fun, while it was only a $5 gain, represented a 167% return on our original investment of $3. So I would say that this was our best stock. Okay? Best return. Let's look for our worst return. That's pretty easy. That was this one where we took our $65 that we could sell it for now minus our cost. We lost $20 on it. We take our $20 divided by our original cost and we get a negative 24%. So for sure that one is our worst one. We'll highlight that in red. Not so good. All right, well, what was our portfolio gain? What we need to do is add up our gain on each and every one of our individual stocks that we bought. And I can do that pretty quickly here in Excel. You will have to use your calculator and add 13 minus 20 plus 238 plus 16 plus 5 plus 25 plus 91 plus 92 plus 300 plus 19. And you too will come up with $779, assuming your fingers did the right thing. And we also want to know what our cost was when we bought it. So we're going to go ahead and sum that column. And I get $2,772. To get our percent gain across the entire portfolio, we take our dollar gain across the portfolio and divide it by our dollar cost of the portfolio. And I get a 28% return for the total portfolio. And then finally, how do you know whether to use dollar gain or percentage gain? I think we've already talked about that. The dollar gain is interesting, but it doesn't take into account the amount of money you had to invest to get that gain. That's why we use percentage gain. And that's it for this video.